be about change of variables in 2 dimensions, with the idea of using this technique to make evaluating certain double integrals easier. So the idea is to change our region into a nicer region, or to change the function we're integrating into a nicer function by changing the variables that we're using. So before I talk about integrating anything, it's useful just to get a grasp of what change of variables means. So let me talk about one of the ways you won't be using change of variables, but this is useful to understand the idea. So I'll draw a square in the UV plane. So the square that runs from 0 to 2, 0 to 2, and I want to change u and v into some new variables and see what happens to this region. So if I switch to 2 new variables, x and y, by setting x is v minus u over 2 and y is u plus v over 2, we can see what happens to this region by plugging points u and v to see what xy coordinates we get over here. So, for example, if I start at the uv point 0, 0, and I plug that in here, what you should think of is that I'm turning the point 0, 0 into some other xy, some other point in the xy plane, which, if u and v are both